Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I have an unboxing from Crafter's Companion subscription box. Um, it's a 3 parts unboxing. There are 3 subscription boxes you purchase in order to join the subscription box plan. So the first one that I'm doing is called circle die cutting, the craft kit. So I'm gonna just open it up and we're gonna see together what this box has. It says it makes a minimum of 21 cards in mixed sizes and it's over 266 elements. So I'm excited to see what the box has. I'm seeing it for the first time like you guys. It says welcome to your new project kit and thank you for your purchase. I'll leave that on there. And so it came with these die cuts. So it's a set of die cuts. I got lotion on my hands. So these are the scallop and the stitch die cuts. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 of the stitched and 1, 2, 3, 4 of the scallop to make your circles for your cards or however you choose to use it. These are dots. I forgot what they're called, but they're the one with the sticky gems. They have sticking on the back, but for me, if you use these, you will want to add a little extra glue, and I'll show you guys that when I do a card video using this kit. Next we have these stamps. We have this huge flower stamp. This is so beautiful. It says happiness always, happy birthday with thanks, love always, love you so. And it has 2 leaf dies, which are gorgeous. I don't have any leaf stamps, not die stamps, and a butterfly stamp. Next we have the assorted ribbons, and these are 3 different sizes. I don't know if you can see that. So you have the slim, the medium, and then the big ribbons to use, how you choose. Next we have another set of stamps, which are this pretty floral stamp, and this stamp here is the floral set. It says just for you. Now we have die cut toppers. You can use these toppers to add to your cards however you choose. It says a special gift for you, love you to the moon and back, congratulations, to a very special friend. So these are some die cuts that you just pop out like that and add them as an element to your card. This one is nice. It says happy birthday. For a real gent. I like that they put some masculine things, because you know they tend to cater to us ladies mostly when it comes to elements, but we have to make cards for men also, so that's good to have. Just want to put this back in the paper. Next you have the blank cards and envelopes in this size. It's 3 sizes, so it's the A2. This might be the A6, the A2, and the 5. Like it's like 4 by 5, 4 by 6, and 5 by 7. So those are the blank cards. You use these to add the elements this in the envelopes inside. Next we have the printed papers or pattern paper, and they just have it's 3 of each. Awesome. There's 3 of each. I guess because it's 3 sets of cards. It's 3 of each print. This is gorgeous. You guys know I love pink. Then there's this pink. It has the littlest wording, like printed script words in there, engraved in there. Then we have this. This is pretty. The orange and the yellows. Then we have this. This is absolutely beautiful. This print here. They're one-sided, in case you were wondering. So, next is the colored paper that you will use for your mat and your layering. So, I'll just show you. They ought to match up with the papers here. Here's this pretty blue. Here's this pretty aqua. Here's the yellow. Here's the pinks. And it's 3 of each. Again. Here's a shade of orange. And here's another shade of pink. It's 2 different pinks, if you can tell. Yeah, so this is the kit that came. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. This is, like I said, the first video of 3. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.